Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Incite AI, a powerful tool designed to give you AI-powered stock market news, insights, and even a chatbot to help you make smarter investment decisions. If you're into trading or just curious about AI-driven financial tools, this review and tutorial is for you. We'll explore everything Incite AI has to offer, its strengths, weaknesses, and how you can use it effectively. So let's get started. Incite AI is a platform that combines artificial intelligence with stock market analysis, offering real-time news, insights, and a chatbot to help investors stay ahead. The website is clean and user-friendly with a focus on delivering AI-curated stock updates and trends. One of the standout features is the chatbot, which allows you to ask questions about stocks, market trends, or specific companies and get instant AI-generated responses. The tool aggregates data from various sources, providing summaries and actionable insights, saving you time from scouring multiple platforms. The News and Insights section is particularly useful, as it highlights key developments in the market, earnings reports, and potential investment opportunities. The AI does a decent job of filtering noise and focusing on what matters, which is great for both beginners and experienced traders. However, there are some limitations. Since the platform relies on AI, the accuracy of insights depends on the quality of its data sources, and it may not always capture nuanced market shifts or unexpected events. Additionally, while the chatbot is helpful, it sometimes provides generic responses rather than deep tailored analysis. Another downside is that some advanced features might require a subscription, which could be a barrier for casual users. Overall, Incite AI is a solid tool for staying updated on stock market trends and getting quick AI-driven answers, but it shouldn't replace thorough research or professional financial advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more tech and finance content. Have you tried Incite AI before? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.